So hi guys, welcome back to our vlog, and now nanata diri sa seashore and we are about to swim on these big waves here in Baler, Aurora Beach area. So as you can see guys, it's a black sand and very fine, and they have also a long shore to walk also here in Baler, and we have here the Kobelko family and their wives and friends, and yep, these are the friends and workmates of Charlie from Manila. And thanks guys for inviting me. So if nana ka diri sa Baler, dili jud nimo kaligtaan na dili ka maka surf. So we are now ready to do our surf lesson with the locals, and they have here surfing lesson worth 500 pesos, good for 1 hour na. So mo na sila nagbitbit sa surfboard, and tanawa ang dagat. Oh, ha? Yung anak ka, strong waves jud. So ready na mi ni Charlie and the team with Marvin and others. So dili dapita guys, no, dapat maning kamot siya tagbarog. And then see, makatukod na jud ko. And then see Charlie, perfect, and also Marvin and si Sir Sado. So diri guys, ning kamot na sad. Pero actually guys, nakatindog kas pero wala siya video. Pero linyaw ra guys. So careful jud, no, if mahagbong na ka and then magpalayo jud ka sa surfboard kinay talinis. You can see that sa tumoy mo na makasama daw. So careful jud kay ko every time na matagag ko, magpalayo dahil ko sa surfboard. And another try guys, let's see kung nakasog ang waves. So mag-surf ganita dapat nag-practice jud niya. Mamaol mode after ani guys. So mo try na sa tagbarog balik guys. So magulat sa tana kanang ma-ready sa nako kong self, and then mo balik na sad ang waves, no, kay mao man ay purpose mo nag-surf na ding dapita. So ready na mo guys, kay mag-ready na pud ko mo barog aning dapita. So tanawa lang niya ko if makatindog ba o di. If di gani pa sa loa na lang dyan. Dili ba ya jud lalim di ay guys na mag-surf ka. Abira na kung simple lang. Pareha atong anak ni Andy ay ginuan. Pero mauna ni siya guys. Ang truth reveals. Dang! Failed. So better luck next time. So maglakaw-lakaw sa tadiring dapita kay medyo di pa maol na siya ng tiil. Maminat kay ilang sand guys, no. Imagine nun tanino mo gihapon siya white sand, pero nila ba yung gihapon ilang sand diri. And I love the strong waves to guys in the vegetation. See that? Oh, ha? Grabe ni sakit, no, mura jud babay. Sus nako, kiat lang jud kay ni si Charlie. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Thank you. Bye.